Go to the Patients module and click Add. Enter required information, such as first name, last name, date of birth, sex, and primary address. Include any additional details, including an alternative address if available. In the Other Details section, select information like preferred language, ethnicity, race, etc. Fill in the contact information, guarantor details, and family information in their respective sections. To add insurance, click Add New Insurance. Enter the necessary insurance details, such as the patient's relationship to the insured, first name, last name, date of birth, sex, and primary address. Add any additional available information. Fill in insurance information, payer information, and employer/school information in respective sections. You can add a maximum of 10 insurances. Under the Providers tab, use the Search drop-down to fill in the referring provider, rendering provider, practice, service facility, and primary care physician. Enter any other relevant details in the Custom Fields section. To add more custom fields, go to Manage Office Custom Fields. After completing all patient details, click Add. The patient has been successfully added. The patient will now appear in the patient list. You can edit, delete, add journal entries, or create a visit through the side menu options. Sort the patient list in ascending or descending order by first, last name, date of birth, sex, MRN, etc. Use the filter option to search the patients by first name, last name, date of birth, SSN, MRN, or created date. To customize the patient view list, click the plus icon, select and arrange the columns to display, and toggle them on or off as required.